This is Danny Gould with the Selling Silicon Valley Group. Welcome everyone to our exclusive virtual open house event for our newest listing, 137 Margo Drive, Unit 9. Obviously, with COVID, we are not able to do in-person open houses right now, and so we have revolutionized the way in which we are now doing open houses. So I am going to walk you through the home virtually and do a very in-depth overview of the home, and really, the goal is that if you like what you see here, that you schedule an in-person showing, because this home, no camera is going to be able to do this home justice. The opulent upgrades throughout are absolutely exquisite. You really do owe it to yourselves to come and check this home out for yourself, and can't wait for all of you to step inside and join me in viewing 137 Margo Drive. All right, everyone, let's step inside the home right now. And there's so much to love about this property. The first thing that you see when you walk in is this opulent, I'm gonna use that word a lot because these sellers have great taste. They have these amazing engineered hardwood floors. And in this home, obviously you can see on your screen, it's 3 bedrooms and 2 baths for a total of 1,273 square feet. This townhome, so there's 15 units in this community, okay, and this is one of the only townhome style, right, where you don't have a neighbor on top of you, simply a shared wall with the next door neighbor. Right here you'll see, J-Rod, a fireplace. This is an electric fireplace. I'm gonna turn it on for you guys right now. Boom, and right here. Should come on. There we go. Called user error, right? When you can't turn it on. User error. So central AC throughout, especially right now in these really, really hot summer months. Can't really go without AC. It's almost a must-have. And when we walk into the kitchen here, really nice open, kind of like flowing floor plan as we walk through into the kitchen. Beautifully updated throughout. The first thing I want to point out is the stainless steel Frigidaire appliance suite. All 3 are Frigidaire. And the quartz countertops here, absolutely stunning. When you walk in, the contrast of the gray versus the white, I mean, this looks so modern. It's very, very in. All of these finishes, everything, just to die for. You come in here, all of the cabinetry soft close. So especially for those of you with young kids at home, and these sellers do have some young kids, and so they come and kid proof. Now we have a little bit of pantry space here in the kitchen as well. And for those of you that can reach, barely. Now we come in here and we have our laundry and drying machine, our wash and dryer. These were installed by the sellers. Very nice to have, especially in a unit like this. Can't put a price on that. Also, the heater as well. Now, some of you might be asking, is there a garage for this home? There is. It's a covered garage. It's a full garage for 1 car. It's not attached to the home. It's detached. And so it's over on the other side of the property. So when you come out and you look at the home, you can definitely go into the garage. Right now, it's being used a little bit of a storage space for my clients. But then we come out here, and then we have a nice little patio space out here that's covered. If you notice over there, J-Rod, if you can, I don't know if you can get that, but there's a little play area for the kids as well. Okay. Definitely, there's a lot of things that you can do out here. You can set up a little barbecue if you want back here. You can set up this little patio furniture like my clients have it set up right now. Do a little bit of gardening. They have this like nice umbrella. This is a nice little place to like spend your evenings, right? Especially right now during the summer, it gets hot, and then obviously you have the AC to walk into once you get a little too toasty. So why don't we head upstairs, J-Rod? Actually, before you do that, give them a really nice overview of this kitchen, because really, I mean, there's a lot to show. Okay, so the HOA, as we walk upstairs, let's talk a little bit about the HOA. Okay, the HOA, many of you are probably wondering, how much is the HOA? The HOA is $500. Jared, I'm gonna let you go up there first, buddy. The HOA is $550 per month, okay? And what does that include? That includes the water, that includes trash, recycle. It also includes the outside exterior of the unit as well. That's also covered by the HOA. I love these pictures. I love the decoration on this wall. There's a lot that you can do, obviously, but I think this has been very tastefully done by my client. Let's go back to what the HOA covers before we explore this room, J-Rod, and I'm gonna go back to my cheat sheet here so I don't miss anything. Outside lighting, fencing and gate, landscaping, and irrigation. Also covers termite treatments for the exterior, window cleanings, and fire alarms both inside and out. It's a lot. So that's what $550 per month gets you here. And it also gets you inside this wonderful community. There is a gate outside as well, so this is gated off from the general public, so you can't just like enter at your will. Let's step into the first bedroom. A couple things to note about this particular floor plan is that every single room has its own patio. And so you can come out here and obviously you can set a little patio furniture up out here or something like that. And just, I could imagine all three parties, you know, both kids and the parents, like just enjoying their own private patio. Super nice. Again, they didn't spare any expense. They kept the same beautiful engineered hardwood flooring throughout each level of the home. Very tastefully done here. Jared, let's go into the other room, bud. So I've got to get my handy dandy cheat sheet out again, okay? And come into this room as well. Give him a nice long look. So let's talk about the community around Margo Drive. Obviously, we're really proximal to Castro Street, downtown Mountain View, so many things to do. We also are really close to a lot of the major tech companies in the area. We're close to Google, Microsoft, Apple. You could literally like go down and down and down and down the list. Point is that this is an amazing, a perfect, really, commuter home for any family that has one or more individuals that need to drive to either a work here in Mountain View, right? This is the start, precipice of the peninsula, or you go all the way up. I have lots of friends actually that work in San Francisco but live in Mountain View, take that Caltrain up. So many options here, and really one of the great things about this property too, and many people might not know, is this is one of the only 3 bedrooms in the entire community. The majority of these 15 condominiums and townhomes in this neighborhood are 2 bedrooms. So we have the unique floor plan that gives us 3 whole bedrooms, and these are not small bedrooms by any stretch of the imagination. They really are nicely sized, and if we go up to the master, we'll see that that one's also very nice as well, very nicely sized too. I really like what my sellers did here, what my clients did with the built-ins here. You know, this is for the kids, right? So it's enough to put books or toys on, sturdy enough to put books or toys on. I'm gonna let you go. We also have a very highly rated Landell's Elementary as well as Mountain View High School. They're also very proximal to some of the top private schools in Silicon Valley as well. Let's show them the master. Look at this. Everything is, I'm telling you, all this barn door type sliding door that goes into the bathroom. Just so nicely done. J-Rod, show them the master bath as well, please. We're minutes away, like I mentioned before, from Caltrain. We're also minutes away to Highway 101, 280, 85. Okay, also very close to San Jose Airport, and I'd also like to point out here. This amazing walk-in closet. Boom, boom. Lots of shoe space, lots of shoe storage. Any women's dream, and my dream too. I have a lot of shoes. I'm not gonna lie. I think I have more shoes than my girlfriend. Katie, if you're watching this, I'm sorry, babe. Okay, so let's see. Beautiful vanity as well. I mean, look, this. When I walked into this house for the very first time, well, when I saw it on Zoom, I knew that this home was special. But when I came here for the very first time, it really. I mean, J-Rod, doesn't this feel like a hotel, bud? Mm-hmm. It feels like a hotel. J-Rod, you can say hi to the people. There you go. All right, so everything here looks spectacular. This whole vanity setup, it feels like a $1,000 a night hotel room at the Ritz or something. But let's step out here, J-Rod, and let's show them the last patio as well. I know many people might be curious, why are my clients moving? They decided it was a great time in their life to move. Like I mentioned, they have a few children. They're outgrowing the space, right? But they're definitely sad to see it go. They loved living here, and they can't wait for another individual or couple to love it as much as they loved it. So as we're going back down and wrapping up the tour, J-Rod, give them another big view. And by the way, the Peloton is negotiable. I would say that if you're on the wait list for Peloton right now, you'll know just how valuable one of these bad boys is. Right over asking price, and we'll think about it. So let's go over here, J-Rod. Did you show them this one as well? Did you show them that? Yeah, I think that I love this little piece. This looks great. It looks fantastic. Okay, let's go downstairs. As we're going downstairs, there's a lot of things that I love to do on Castro Street. I have fond memories of Castro Street from when I was an undergrad at Stanford. We used to go to Castro Street all the time, and that's where I first got introduced to boba, which is, we went to Tea Era a lot, but the one that we went to the most was Tapioca Express, which I don't even know if it's still there, but Castro Street is great for so many things. Have we shown the powder room here? Or not the powder room, the second bathroom? No. Okay, well, let's check out this bathroom as well. And there's a lot of other things to do on Castro Street as well. So many dining options and entertainment options. You got Blue Line Pizza, you've got Mongolian barbecue, you've got a Silicon Valley staple in Grapevine. I mean, the list goes on and on and on and on. I put a poll out on my Instagram and my Facebook earlier today to what people's favorite things to do, because there's just, honestly guys, like, it's different strokes for different folks. There's a million different things to do. So I'm gonna look at my messenger here and see who's hit me up. Let me know. Let's see. Emilio says Murphy's Bar live music. Murphy's Bar live music. He loves doing that in downtown Mountain View. And so there's so many things to do in downtown. So many amazing dining and entertainment options. You could just walk. You could walk out here. It's pretty serene out and peaceful out in the nighttime. Go enjoy the Stevens Creek Trail, or go close by. There's the Shoreline Amphitheater, Shoreline Park as well. We have the Sylvan Park close by in the area as well. There's just so many things to do, and so many amazing memories that you could make. So I look forward to seeing some of you who are watching this video come out and experience this home for yourself, experience the neighborhood, the community around you, around us for yourself. Thanks for joining us at our virtual open house today for 137 Margo Drive, and we look forward to seeing you here very soon.